We have a team coverage of the vice president's visit. Faith Evans and Josh Meny are both live at UNR. Faith spoke with students to get their reactions to her speech. But first, we'll send things over to Josh with what exactly she had to say. Josh?
Yeah, that's right, Ariana. Vice President Kamala Harris came to the University of Nevada, Reno today to discuss the Biden-Harris administration's commitment to protecting abortion rights. This comes one day before the U.S. Supreme Court makes a ruling on the legality of the FDA-approved abortion pill Mifepristone.
The United States Supreme Court, the court of Thurgood, take a constitutional right that had been recognized from the people of America, from the women of America. And following that, we predicted it might happen, and it has. Laws are being proposed around our country by extremist so-called leaders that would criminalize healthcare providers. Or even
the FDA-approved abortion pill Mifepristone is facing a national ban tomorrow in the U.S. Supreme Court. A district court in Amarillo, Texas last week, a state where all abortions are banned, ruled that their FDA improperly approved the pill, improperly approved the pill 20 years ago. Within hours of that ruling in Texas, a U.S. district judge filed a lawsuit in Washington state blocking the FDA from pulling the drug from the market. Now, a conservative-controlled U.S. Supreme Court has to rule on these contradictory rulings tomorrow, and Harris says what's particularly egregious about the Texas court's ruling is that it would not allow for exceptions for victims of rape and incest.
This individual that would be the subject of that restriction has just survived an incredible violation of their body. And then you would put in place a law that after that happens would further deprive them of the liberty and the right to make decisions about their own body?
Now, Harris noted the passage of Senate Joint Resolution 7 in Nevada Senate yesterday, which would enshrine Nevada's access to abortions up to 24 weeks in the state constitution. And coming up on Channel News at 5, or 2 News rather at 5, I'll tell you why Harris says Nevada can lead the way in abortion protections. Covering the story at the University of Nevada, Reno, Josh Meny, 2 News.